Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a custom gender in your Google account. Now here you can see I have a bunch of genders here, and I'm going to just go ahead and choose one. And what I'm going to do is show you how to create a custom gender in your Google account. So what you want to do, let me go ahead and open up a new tab here and go to the Google account on the upper right hand side. Now you want to ensure that you sign into your Google account, guys, because once you sign in, all you have to do is simply click and manage your Google account. Now here on the left hand side, click my personal info or personal info, as you can see here, and then you want to go ahead and choose gender. So click in gender, and here you'll have the option add custom gender. So click in that, you'll have this pop up here, just simple add the gender that you want to choose. And here, once you add that in, you can simply go ahead and click and save, and it's going to add that gender for you. Now from here you want to choose now if you want to have it that only you can see it, that it's private, or you want anyone can see it. So choose whichever option you want, and then once you choose that, it will be updated. Keep in mind that once you update it, it might disappear, so you just want to go back in and add that in. So once you do that, just simply click and save, and it's going to be added there. So what I recommend, go ahead and choose how you want the visibility to be, and then add the custom gender so that it doesn't disappear. And then once you add it, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.